Past continuous is used to express actions or duties that were continuous in the past. The beginning and the end of them can be determined. Words that indicate this tense: when, as long as, while, yesterday, etc. Positive form is subject plus was or were plus gerund, the ing form of the verbs, and then the complement. I was traveling to Sweden. They were riding horse yesterday. She was cleaning the kitchen. I was traveling to Sweden. I is subject, was is to be in its past form, traveling is the verb in gerund form, to is preposition, and the Sweden is place-side verb and noun. Negative form is subject plus was or were plus not plus gerund and then the complement. I was not talking about literature. He was not working on the project. We were not fast enough to win. I was not talking about literature. I is subject, was is to be, not is negative auxiliary verb, talking is gerund, about is preposition, and literature is noun and object. Question form is was or were plus subject plus gerund, and then the complement, and at the end is question mark. Were you throwing a party yesterday? Was I discussing on Chinese art? Were they performing their job correctly? Were you throwing a party yesterday? Were is to be past form. You is object, throwing is a verb, a is article, party is object and noun, yesterday is time. The first concept is to express a past continuous actions. I was playing chess last night. The second concept is to express the time. She was baking a cake at 2 p.m. yesterday. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. Third concept is for mixed up past continuous actions and past simple actions. Note that the following action connects using subordinates such as when or while, etc. I was listening to this article on YouTube when you called. The fourth concept is to mix two past continuous actions. While my brother was eating dinner, I was repairing the refrigerator. And that concludes today's lesson. Remember to take notes. I'll be waiting for your suggestions and requests in the comments section down below. You should subscribe for daily contents and lessons. You can also watch my prior contents from here. I'm Steve and I'll be back with another video tomorrow.